Welcome back to another episode of the MiataDIYguy guy. It's been over a year. The car has sat most of the pandemic. Today we're going to do a new catalytic converter. But first off, I'd like to thank some new subscribers that have joined the channel in the past few weeks. We have Michael258525 and Michael Ramsey. So thank you both for subscribing to the channel. So today we'll be installing a new catalytic converter on my Miata. Now, this is the 50-state legal CAT because we're in California, so your catalytic converter may look a little different. So the reason we're installing this catalytic converter is I was trying to add some power to my old Miata, and in order to hook up the Raceland headers that I purchased, and I got this custom CAT back from a junkyard, I realized that the previous owner had welded the old catalytic converter to the headers and the exhaust, so we had to cut them apart. The only tool I had available to take off the catalytic converter was an angle grinder. You'd be better off using a 6-inch steel tip blade with a sawzall or some kind of reciprocating saw. If you don't have to deal with cutting like we did, all you have to do is unbolt the old CAT and put in the new one. Now that the CAT is cut away from the exhaust header, we just unbolted the old headers, and while we were here we opted to get a new exhaust header gasket. And then we just bolted up the new headers. You will need 2 gaskets to complete the installation. I will put a link in the description below. So, it may seem confusing at first, but there is literally only one way it can fit the CAT. So it might take you a few turns, but you'll figure out that it only goes in one way, and then you can get it bolted up. And there we go. Our new CAT is installed.
If you need any of the parts in this video, head over to Mazdamiata.com. All these parts are available there, as well as any parts you may need from a 1990 to the current generation.